Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a trick by which you can generate wallpapers using your Galaxy AI. So this feature is available with the Samsung Galaxy AI and you guys might be missing this out. But not now, as I will show you this trick and it is a really awesome feature available. So as we know that there are some limited options of the wallpapers available in your Samsung Galaxy devices, but now you can generate your own wallpaper by simply going into your wallpaper and style, and after clicking on this wallpaper and style you just have to simply click on change wallpapers. And now from here you just have to simply swipe down and click on this create with AI option. There are some other wallpaper options also available, but for now you just have to simply click on create with AI. So from here you will see some already pre-made wallpapers also, but you can also create something new, and it is your choice that if you want to create a night version wallpaper, so you can do that. As you can see, you can select the color from gray to blue, and from the mountain range you can select this river. And after selecting it you just have to simply click on this generate option available over here. Now after clicking on this generate option you just have to simply wait for a while and the wallpaper will be generated. As you can see, the wallpaper is now available. There are some multiple wallpaper options available to choose from. Next up, now let's try this imaginary one. In this you can change from lamp to some bicycle or some buildings, and you can also change from flowers to some other options available from here. I will choose cotton, and the color I will change it from pink and purple to blue and indigo. And after selecting it I will just simply click on this generate option and it will now generate this wallpaper. As you can see, the wallpaper is now generated and it is looking really awesome. You can set it both for your lock screen and home screen. I really like this wallpaper customization feature in the Samsung Galaxy devices, as it allows you to customize your device the way you like it. You can customize and make your wallpaper the way you like it, or your favorite wallpaper now can be generated using the Galaxy AI. And that's it for today's video. If you are new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and do let me know your thoughts about this wallpapers app in the comment section below.